Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make keto double chocolate chip cookies. Hey there, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're going to make some delicious double chocolate chip cookies. And so let's get started. I've got 3 cups of almond flour in this bowl here. And I'm going to add in 1 cup of granulated sweetener. This is Canto sweetener. You could also use Swerve. I'm going to add in 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder. It's going to bring that double chocolate flavor, make them super chocolatey. I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of baking soda and a half a teaspoon of salt. And I'm also going to add in some collagen. I'm going to add in 2 scoops of this. This is just flavorless collagen. This is Dr. Axe brand, but whatever brand that you like to use. And let's see, 1 scoop is 10 grams, and it says 1 heaping scoop is 10 grams. So I'm going to do 1 heaping. I'm going to do 2 heaping scoops. And these are going to make the cookies chewy. So let's stir in all of our dry ingredients. This is going to make 20 really good sized cookies. Okay, now we're going to add in our wet ingredients. I've got 3 large eggs that we already beat, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and I've got 3/4 of a cup of softened butter. So now we are going to mix this with a hand mixer. Okay, our batter looks perfect, and now I'm going to add, this is 4.5 ounces of chopped chocolate. You could also use Lily's chocolate chips. This is Lily's chocolate, but you could use the chocolate chips or you could use the chocolate bars and chop it up, and that's what I'm doing today. So we're going to mix this in. Our batter is really nice and thick. We're going to make some really delicious chocolatey cookies. Okay, now we are going to portion these into 20 cookies. It's going to take 2 of these sheet trays. I've got them lined with a silicone baking mat. I've also got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. So we're going to scoop these out with my 2 tablespoon scoop. Okay, these are going to bake in the 350 degree oven for about 20 minutes. And we're back with our double chocolate chip cookies, and they are, oh my gosh, they're so good. They're just like, I'm telling you right now, I'm not even lying. These are just like a brownie. They're so good. But I want to sprinkle a little bit of salt because I like a little salt, some kosher salt on top of my cookies. I'm not going to do it on all of them because my kids might complain. But look at those. And get a bite. They are so good. Guys, be sure you check out these other videos of quick keto desserts. I've got some other cookie recipes in there, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.